Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in this class, let us understand exercise 5b. Question number 1 of this exercise is fill in the blanks. In first part, they have given 2 raised to the power 10 multiplied 2 raised to the power 8. As you have studied in introduction video that if bases are same, we will write the base once, and in case of multiplication, we have multiplication in between, and multiplication is also known as repeated addition. Previous classes में आपने पढ़ा है multiplication को और क्या बोलते हैं, repeated addition. So in case of multiplication, if bases are same, we will add their powers. So add the powers 10 plus 8. So what it becomes? It will be 10 raised to the power 18. So power is 18 here. So you will fill 18 in this blank. Similarly, in this third part, they have given bracket 8 raised to the power 5 multiply 8 raised to the power 6 whole power 3. First of all, you will solve the bracket, right? Inner bracket 8 raised to the power 5 multiply 8 raised to the power 6 whole power 3. According to BODMAS, firstly you will solve this part, right? Bases are same again. So write the base once and we are multiplying. Multiplying means repeated addition. So add the powers 5 plus 6 and whole power 3. What it becomes? 8 raised to the power 5 plus 6 is 11 whole power 3. And you have already studied if we have a raised to the power n and whole power m, what do? We multiply these powers. जब powers की power given हो, we multiply the powers, right? So we will multiply this 11 and 3. So it will become 8 raised to the power 11 3s are 33, right? So you will put 33 in this blank. Next question, question number 2. Express each of the following product in exponential form. Exponential form means power notation में लिखना है, right? They have given minus 6. Minus 6 means we have power 1, right? अगर कोई single time ही लिखा है, we have power 1 multiply minus 6 raised to the power 5. Now bases are same. Base क्या है? minus 6. So write the base once. Base को एक बार लिख देते हैं. We are multiplying them, right? So powers will be added because multiplication means repeated addition. So we will add these powers, right? So add them. 1 plus 5. It becomes minus 6 raised to the power 6. This is your answer. Next, fourth part, they have given a. A means a raised to the power 1, right? A raised to the power 2 multiply a raised to the power 3. Now bases are same. Base क्या है? A है, right? And we are multiplying them. Multiplication means repeated addition, right? So we will add the powers. Powers को add कर देते हैं. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it will become a raised to the power 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So this is your answer, a raised to the power 6. Next, sixth part. Again bases are same. Base is minus 5 upon 9. So write it once. Now we are multiplying them. So powers will be added, right? Because multiplication means repeated addition. So you will add the powers, right? Add this 4, 12 and 8. 4 plus 12 plus 8. So it will become minus 5 upon 9 8 plus 12, 20 plus 4, 24. This is 24. So this is your answer, minus 5 upon 9 raised to the power 24. Next question, question number 3. Express each of the following with single exponent. They have given two exponent here, 4 and 2, and they are asking to write as single exponent. As I have explained in previous question also, if a raised to the power n whole power m is given, what do? We multiply the powers, right? हम powers को multiply कर देते हैं. So we will write the base once and we will multiply these powers. 4 multiply 2, it will become minus 5 raised to the power 8. This is your answer. Next, again base is 1 upon 5 and we have power 4 and then whole power 5, right? So we will multiply these two powers. 4 and 5 को multiply कर देंगे. So 4 multiply 5, it will become 1 upon 5 raised to the power 4 5s are 20. This is your answer. Next, sixth part. This part, firstly we will solve this part, right? 5 raised to the power 5 raised to the power 3. Again this is in the form of a raised to the power n whole power m. So we will multiply the powers, right? Powers को multiply कर देंगे. It will become 5 raised to the power 5 3s are 15. Similarly, write base and powers will be, जो exponent है वो क्या हो जाएगा? multiply हो जाएगा. 4 8s are 32. So write here 32. Now bases are same in both. So write the base once and we are multiplying them. Multiply कर रहे हैं ना? Multiplication means repeated addition. So powers will be added. जो exponent होंगे वो क्या हो जाएंगे? Add हो जाएंगे. Add them. 15 plus 32. So what you are getting now? 5 raised to the power 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 1 4. 5 raised to the power 47 is your answer. Next, again this is in the form of a raised to the power n raised to the power m. इसी फॉर्म में है. पहले बेस की पावर है फिर होल पावर है. सो वी विल राइट द बेस वंस. बेस को वंस मतलब एक बार लिखेंगे एंड वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दीज पावर्स. 2 and 3 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 2 3s are 6. सिमिलरली इन दिस पार्ट write the base minus 1 upon 3 and you will multiply these powers. 4 5s are 20. So write 20 here. Now in these two bases are same, minus 1 upon 3. So write the base once. We are multiplying them. So powers will be added. Why? Because multiplication means repeated addition. So add these powers, 6 and 20, right? 6 plus 20, what it becomes? It becomes minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 26. This is your answer. Next question is question number 4. Simplify. First part is minus 2 multiply 10 raised to the power 3 whole power 2. Right? Students, before starting this question, let us understand, let us recall some properties. Right? If we have a multiply b and raised to the power 3. It means whole की power 3 है and this is in multiplication. It means a raised to the power 3, a की भी power 3 है, multiply b raised to the power 3. Clear? Individual की power भी क्या है? 3 ही होगी. Similarly, if we are dividing like a upon b whole power 3, इसका मतलब भी क्या है? a raised to the power 3 divided by b raised to the power 3. It means a and b individual की power भी क्या होगी? 3 ही होगी. Clear? So let's apply it here in this first part. Minus 2 multiply 10 raised to the power 3 whole power 2. It means minus 2 raised to the power 2 because whole power is 2 here, right? Multiply 10 raised to the power 3, ये जो b पार्ट है हमारा, इसकी भी पावर क्या होगी? 2 होगी. Minus 2 raised to the power 2 means minus 2 will be multiplied 2 times. 2 2s are 4 and minus sign is occurring even number of times, 2 times, so it will be a plus sign. So we are getting 4 here. Multiply 10 raised to the power 3 whole power 2 means this is in the form of a raised to the power n raised to the power m. So powers will be multiplied, 3 multiplied to 6. This is equals to 10 raised to the power 6. So they are asking to simplify, so you can calculate it. 4 multiplied 10 raised to the power 6 means 10 multiplied 10 multiplied 10 multiplied 10 multiplied 10 multiplied. कितने टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं 10 को? 6 टाइम्स. So it will be equals to 1 1s are 1. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 zeros will be there, right? So this is equals to 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Multiply them. 4 1s are 4 and then 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is your answer. Next part, bases are different. In this third part, first half base 21 upon 19 and second half base 19 upon 7. So we cannot add the powers, but if you have observed, powers are same. So क्या करेंगे? पावर सेम है तो पावर को वंस लिखेंगे, इट मीन्स एक बार ही लिखेंगे, राइट? नाउ दीज आर इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सो मल्टीप्लाई द बेसिस. मल्टीप्लाई 19 upon 7. Clear? 19 to 19 cancel out because 19 ones are 19, 19 ones are 19, 7 ones are 7, 7 3s are 21. So what you are getting? You are getting 3 ones are 3 upon 1 ones are 1 raised to the power 4, which is also equals to denominator में अगर 1 है, no need to write it, 3 raised to the power 4. Clear? It means we are multiplying 3 4 times. So multiply them. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. What you are getting? 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. 81 is your answer. Question number 5. Simplify. Second part is 10 raised to the power 11 upon 10 raised to the power 8. Bases are same in numerator and denominator both. So write the base once. Base को एक बार ही लिखेंगे. We are dividing them. डिवीजन का मतलब क्या होता है? रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन. मल्टीप्लिकेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? रिपीटेड एडिशन. तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पावर क्या की थी? ऐड की थी. नाउ डिवीजन मीन्स रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो डिवीजन में क्या करेंगे? पावर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. न्यूमरेटर की पावर एक्सपोनेंट क्या है? 11 minus subtract the exponent of denominator 8. So this is equals to 10 raised to the power 11 minus 8 is 3, which means इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 10 multiplied 10 multiplied 10. कितने times? 3 times. So 1 ones are 1. How many zeros will be there? 1 2 3. Right? Or you can simply write if 10 has any power, so 1 के बाद उतनी ही zeros लग जाती हैं. 3 power है ना, so 3 zeros are there, right? This is your answer. Again bases are same, so write the base once. Base को एक बार ही लिखेंगे. We are dividing them because these are in the form of numerator and denominator, so powers will be subtracted. Write the power of numerator 10 minus denominator which is 6. This is equals to minus 3 raised to the power 4. It means minus 3 will be multiplied how many times? 4 times. So multiply 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. And minus sign is occurring even number of times, 1 2 3 4. So answer will be positive. So your answer is 81. Next question, again bases are same, so write the base once. Minus 4 subtract the exponent. Firstly write the exponent of numerator. पहले न्यूमरेटर का ही लिखेंगे, ये मत सोचना न्यूमरेटर की पावर स्मॉल है तो पहले डिनोमिनेटर लिख देते हैं, नो, पहले आप न्यूमरेटर की ही पावर लिखेंगे, राइट। माइनस सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे द एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर 8, क्लियर, -4, साइन ऑफ बोथ द एक्सपोनेंट्स आर डिफरेंट, 5 प्लस साइन का है एंड 8 माइनस साइन का है, सो दीज विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड, 8 minus 5 3, and sign will be of greater numeral क्या है 8 है, so its sign will be minus, right। And student, in the introduction video of exponents I have explained if the power is negative, अगर power negative है we can make it positive by writing the reciprocal of base। base क्या है -4 है, it means -4/1, right। इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या हो जाएगा 1/-4। रेसिप्रोकल में यही होता है, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर बन जाता है एंड डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर बन जाता है, राइट। सो बेस was -4 and its reciprocal will be 1/-4. now the power will be positive। जैसे ही हमने बेस का रेसिप्रोकल लिखा पावर क्या बन गई पॉजिटिव। इट मीन्स -1/4 will be multiplied by itself how many times? 3 times, right। so 1 1s are 1 1s are 1 1, 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64, and minus sign is occurring odd number of times, so answer will be minus, so final answer is -1/64, clear। Next, sixth part, bases are same, so write the base once। firstly write the exponent of the numerator, we will subtract the exponents, why? because we are dividing them and division means repeated subtraction। then subtract the exponent of the denominator, -5, so this is -7 raised to the power 0, and if any base कोई भी बेस है अगर उसकी पावर 0 है, दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 1, सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 1 इज योर आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अगेन बेसेस आर सेम, -4/5, क्लियर, वी आर डिवाइडिंग देम, सो पावर्स द एक्सपोनेंट्स विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड, write the exponent of the first rational number 12 and subtract the exponent of the divisor, right, 10, this is equals to -4/5 raised to the power 12 minus 10 is 2, which means -4/5 will be multiplied 2 times, multiply them, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, and minus sign is occurring 2 times, 2 means even number of times, so answer will be positive, it means 16/25। next question number 6, evaluate। as I said, if any base, no matter what is the base, matter ही नहीं करता base क्या है, if power is 0, अगर power 0 है answer will be 1, clear। in next part also, base does not matter if power is 0, power 0 है so answer will be 1। next question, firstly solve this bracket, 29 raised to the power 0 minus 23 raised to the power 0 multiply 16 raised to the power 0, 29 raised to the power 0 means 1, 29 की पावर अगर 0 है तो 1 ही होगा, माइनस 23 रेज टू द पावर 0 मीन्स 1, बिकॉज कोई भी बेस हो अगर पावर 0 है तो क्या आंसर होगा 1 होगा, मल्टीप्लाई 16 रेज टू द पावर 0 मीन्स 1, क्लियर। नाउ सॉल्व दिस ब्रैकेट फर्स्ट, 1 minus 1 0 multiply 1, and if you multiply any number by 0 what do you get 0, so its answer will be 0, clear। next part, seventh part, -2 is the base and then in exponent we have 3 multiply 5 -4 minus 11, right? This is the exponent. So firstly you will solve this part. This is 3 multiply 5 minus 4 minus 11. According to BODMAS, firstly we will solve multiplication. 3 5s are 15 minus 4 minus 11, right? 15 minus 4, 11. 11 minus 11, 0, right? So what you are getting? You are getting exponent 0. And if any base has exponent 0, अगर किसी की भी power 0 होती है, what do we get as an answer? We get 1. So 1 is your answer. So students, in today's class we have discussed from question number 1 to question number 6. I have left some part of these questions. Those parts you will practice yourself. In next class we will start with the next question, question number 7. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.